Okay, hi everyone. So last video I have discussed about the cutoff of NIT Jalandhar. Now I'm going to discuss about the cutoff of NIT Jaipur. Okay. So uh, for computer science branch, okay, this is first round opening rank. This is sixth round closing rank. Okay. OS stand for other state. HS stand for home state. Okay. And this is open category. That is general category. This is EWS, OBC, NCL, SC, and ST. And the rank provided in front of this category are their category rank. This is not all India rank. These all are category rank. Okay. So now coming to the computer science branch, other state, open category. Okay, the opening rank is 2535 and the closing rank is 4909. For EWS category, the category rank, okay, category rank is 672 828. Okay, for OBC NCL 1312 goes till 1892. For SC 388, starting from 388 goes till 892. For ST starting from 160 goes till 281. Now coming to the home state for open category, okay, for general category, the opening rank for computer science branch is 1974 and the closing rank is 5746. Right. For EWS, OBC, NCL, SC, and ST, these all are category rank. Okay, so these all are category rank. These all are category rank. Okay, for the computer science branch. So you can refer this sheet. I'm not going to talk about each of this category, okay, because it will take too much time and the video will so much long. Okay, so now coming to the artificial intelligence and data engineering branch. Okay, for other state open category, the opening rank is 4977 and the closing rank is 6408. For EWS starting from 753 goes till 1036. For OBC, NCL, SC, and ST, you can see the data. For home state open category, starting from 4106 goes till 6924. Okay, for EWS, OBC, NCL, SC, and ST category, you can see I have provided the data. Okay, opening and closing rank. You can refer this sheet for uh, more clarity. Okay, now coming to the EC branch, that is electronics communication engineering branch. For other state open category, okay, for first round opening rank is 6828. The closing rank is 10,168. For EWS category, the category rank is 1299 and the closing rank is 1620. Okay, for OBC, NCL, SC, and ST, you can see. Coming to the home state open category for EC branch, okay, starting from 5817 goes till 10,112. Okay, for EWS category 1306, the closing rank is 1925. Okay, for OBC, NCL, SC, and ST, you can see the data has been given to you. Now coming to the triple E branch, okay, for other state open category, the opening rank, okay, the first round opening rank is 7944. The closing rank is 15,442. Okay, for home state open category, the opening rank is 9,596 and the closing rank is 15,660. Okay, so you can see the data for category also for EWS, OBC, NCL, SC, and ST. Okay, similarly for home state, EWS, OBC, NCL, SC, and ST. Now coming to the metallurgical and material science engineering branch. For other state open category, the opening rank is 22,985, approx 23,000. Okay, and the closing rank is about 40k. So if someone belong from any state, okay, other than this Rajasthan, okay, and their rank lies between this range, they will get metallurgical and material science engineering from NIT Jaipur. Okay, so that is a good branch and good college. Now coming to the home state open category, starting from 29,000. Okay, starting from 29,000 goes till 39k. Okay, so see a lot of competition in their home state. Okay, for similarly, you can see the data for EWS, OBC, NCL, SC, and ST category also. Now coming to the chemical branch. Okay, chemical branch. For other state open category, the opening rank is 18,000 and the closing rank is around 27,000. For home state open category, starting from 8,511 goes till 30,836. Okay, you can see the data for EWS, OBC, NCL, SC, and ST category also. Similarly for home state, EWS, OBC, NCL, SC, and ST category also. Okay, so now I can hope you are familiar with this data set. Okay, this Excel sheet. Okay, and you have good understanding about this data. Now coming to the mechanical engineering, for other state open category, the opening rank is 13,000, closing rank is 22,000. Okay, for EWS, 2,803 goes till 3,726. For OBC, NCL, 5,592 goes till 7,793. For home state open category, 15,000 goes till 23,000. Okay, similarly, you can see the data for EWS, OBC, NCL, SC, and ST category also. Now the last one is civil branch. For other state open category, starting from 18,000 goes till 34,000, and for the home state open category, starting from 14,000 goes till 32,000. Okay, so you can see for home state also, if someone has rank lies between uh, less than 40,000, they will definitely going to get any of this branch. Okay, in NIT Jaipur if they belongs to home state quota. Okay, so one thing I want to request you that don't pay any. single penny of money for the counseling purpose. Okay, just do some research, you will definitely got idea how the counseling will work. Okay, and you know your rank very okay, you know your rank, how much your rank you have got in JMeans. Okay, so just see the data, just analyze the data, in which college I will expected to get which branch. Okay, so all the data has been provided to you. Okay, so one of my junior asked me that bhaiya I want to take the counseling from someone else. Okay, and they are asking about 30 to 35,000 just for counseling purpose. Okay, so I was shocked, like just for counseling you are going to pay 30,000 or 35,000. That is not a good deal. Okay, so just do some research, do put some hard work into this, and you crack this logic how this counseling work. Okay, so that's a small request. It depends on you, either you want to pay or not. Okay, so just it is your choice. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Okay, bye, meet you in the next video. Thank you so much.